Alright, today we're going to show you how to rehand the INOX mortise lock case. Currently I have a right-handed lock. I know this because when I throw the toggle, my lever is rigid on the right hand. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to change the latch position, and to do that we're going to take a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, put it down inside the lock case, and take the screw out. Now I'm going to pull the latch, and I'm going to flip it around and put it in the other side, and when I put the screw back in, I'm going to put it in on the opposite side. Alright, now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and change the locking position of the hubs. To do that, I'm going to remove the number 2, and I'm going to put in a number 1 Phillips head. So, on the inside, there's a screw down inside the lock case about halfway through. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And I'm going to pull the locking piece out, and I'm going to reinstall it in the other side. Now, again, I want to be on the inside when I put the screw in, so I'm going to go to the inside of the lock case, the non-locking side, and I'm going to reinstall the screw. And now I'll check my locking, throw the toggle. It's now rigid on the left-hand side. That's how you rehand the lock case.